birthday to you. Let's go, let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, yan ang Mateo. Close your eyes and take a wish. And blow your candle.
I'll go bigger.
Ayan! Palalaman natin si Mateo. At sabay-sabay natin siyang patiin na Happy birthday! Okay, kaya na tayo yan. Everyone, muna lang po tayo lahat dahil mukhang tumating na ang isa pang special guest, si Mateo from McDonald's Land. Makikipag yan mag-celebrate in count of 10, 9, 8,
Juris!
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Ayan, Natalia, bigyan lang po natin ng konti ko ay sige. Okay, lahat ng kids, please, talong na. Bigyan lang natin ng konti ko ay ang ating special guest from McDonald's.
Baka masumpay din sa mga kabangon dyan.
Okay, now, get photo picture muna si Mateo with Lucy. Okay, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Okay, of course, kasama sila mommy and daddy. Ayan, dito na lang photo briefing. Okay, look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, and smile. And of course, lahat po ng kids, sabi nila po tayo sa ngayon. Ayan, para magkaroon ng picture with Green Bay. Okay, once again, lahat lang po ng kids, sabi nila po tayo sa ngayon para magkaroon ng group picture with Green Bay. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, Target, kids, gusto niyo ba makita mo dancing remix? Okay, let's see. Settle down muna natin ang Okay, once again, settle down muna yung mga kids natin.
Juris! Manood ka lang, manood ka lang.
Special performance si Green Bay sa birthday celebration ni Mateo. Kaya naman, everyone, Green Bay, are you ready? Okay, ready na si Green Bay. Kaya naman, Green Bay, hit the stage!